The new Dyson Purifying Fan Heater projects purified air to heat or cool you. In auto mode, the LCD screen shows you which airborne pollutants have been detected in real time. In cooler months, you can set your desired room temperature, and your machine will maintain it while still purifying the air. During warmer months, switch to fan mode for powerful, personal cooling. And when you'd like purified air without feeling the airflow, you can redirect it through the back of the machine by switching to diffused mode. The machine can rotate up to 350 degrees to deliver heated or cooling purified air to every corner of the room. And for a comfortable night's sleep, nighttime mode activates the machine's quietest settings and dims the LCD screen. The Dyson Link app gives you even more control. Use it to monitor indoor and outdoor pollution levels. See what's been detected and when. Schedule purification and heating to suit your day. And even see how many hours of filter life you have left. Changing filters is easy. Simply press down the side buttons to access the appropriate filter and replace it. The machine will confirm your new filter is ready to use, so you know the air in your home will continue to be purified effectively.